Go.
Ratchet girls of Ohio. Hey. Bro, who let you come out the house looking like that?
Girl.
I am doing the most. OMG, what do you have on? You ratchet! My lace front is all wrong. I'm ratchet. Give me that ball. I'm about to put us on Twitter because she ratchet. Got it? I'm about to put this girl on Twitter because she ratchet. Because I got time for this. I'm too grown. See, you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now